Today I want to talk about the Prusa MK3S and whether or not I got scammed on this purchase. About 3 weeks ago I ordered the printer, an enclosure, an extra mat, and 2 spools of filament. It only took about a week to be delivered, which isn't terrible, and it sat in my basement for about a week before I got around to assembling the enclosure. So when I went online to get the instructions, I noticed this model is now discounted $150 and there's an MK4. So I feel like I paid full price for yesterday's technology. In fact, this was outdated by the time it got to my doorstep. And I think not illegal, but bad business practices by Prusa. They're just trying to push out their old merchandise. So I did write customer service, and I got a reply within a couple hours. You know, that's pretty good. And it was stated that everyone that ordered an MKS 3S within the month had gotten a $150 voucher, and that I should check my email. Well, I did check my email, and I checked my junk mail, and I did not get any voucher. In fact, I didn't even want a voucher. You know, at the time of purchase, customer service or a sales rep should have emailed me and said, we have a new product releasing in a week. Do you want to be pre-ordered on that product, or we can give you this one at a discounted price? That would have been good business. You know, this voucher, maybe that's okay for a customer that's long time and product loyal. You know, they may be like, oh, I got bent over, but I got a little bit of anal ease from the company. You know, I'm a first time buyer, and to get screwed right out of the gate, I feel like if I continue with this company, that's just how it's going to be in the future. So I will never spend another penny with Prusa. That's how I feel. And it's a shame because I did a lot of research. I'm sure this is a very high quality printer in here. But if you have terrible customer service, that doesn't help, especially with someone that has multiple printers or growing a business. You need good customer service, good vendors, good supply, and they did not do it for me. So I'm curious of what your thoughts are. You know, if you ordered something and by the time it showed up it's already old technology, how would you feel about that? And if anyone had bought a Prusa in March of 23, did you get that $150 voucher? If you did, comment below. I'd like to hear from you. So at least I know they're not totally blowing smoke up my ass. And if you didn't get the voucher, comment below as well. I'd like to hear your story. So now I feel like, what are my choices? I have about 5 weeks to send it back, but it costs $150 in shipping to get here. It'll cost $150 to send it back. So I'll be out $300 with nothing to show for it. That's not a good option. The other option is, it is here, I can put it together and use it, and just recognize that I was bent over by this company and never order anything from them again. That's probably the best choice. I don't know. Comment below on what you do. I still might send it back, just out of, you know, kind of feeling this company did me wrong. If you have experience with 3D printers, what brands do you like, and what is their customer service like? And when I mean customer service, I don't mean you order a printer, it works great, and you never have any problems. That's just a good product. I'm talking about when you have to deal with the company when there is a problem. Do you get things resolved? Do you feel satisfied afterwards? That's important. So anyways, this was my experience with Prusa. First time buyer, and it did not go well for me. Thanks for watching.